welcome back to my channel. I took a break last week, but here I am, fresh again, here to do some in-store couponing at Dollar General right there. And these are for the deals. I'll fix my hat. These are for the deals of February 3rd through the 9th, specifically using that 5 off 25 we get for the 9th on Saturday. Now, I didn't buy anything this week, so I don't know if there's one printing at the bottom of the receipts, but there is one on the app, and there's not one in the ad. I know we did that a couple weeks ago where the 5 off 25 paper coupon was in one of the ads, but as far as I know, it's not in the ad. It may be on the receipts, but it is on the app for sure. So if you find out, maybe comment down below so you'll help me out and help our other friends out as well. So I don't think the deals are that bad, but it's a great week if you need to just start out, because there's a lot of great, there's a few good deals like on some paper and laundry, and they're all digital. So with that being said, let's just get in there and see what they got cooking this week. So the Colgate Optic White, the 4.2 ounces, are priced at $3, and there is a $4 off 2 digital coupons. So if you get 2 of these, minus the $4 coupon, I'll make them $1 each. And then here's the Nivea Lotion. These are priced at $4.25, and there's a $4 off 2 digital coupon, which would make them just $2.25 each. But I was hoping that these right here would be in stock, but they're not. So these are like the Nivea cream lotions, and they're just hand lotions, so I think they would apply. I'm gonna test this out for you guys. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know if this is part of the coupon. It just says excludes trial and travel sizes, but I think this is just a regular hand lotion, so hopefully this will work. So anyway, it is $2.75. I know it's a little bit higher at my store. So $2.75 for 2 of those each. With that $4 off coupon, that would make that $1.50 for both, or 75 cents each. And that's hopefully going to work, because I love this lotion. It's my favorite lotion ever. Then the Clean and Clear face wash. This is the lowest price one for $5. There is a $2 off 1 digital coupon, making that just $3. And I actually really like this line of facial products. Then the oil-free acne wash is priced at $5.50. This is the cheapest Neutrogena one I could find. And there's a $3 off 1 digital coupon, making that just $2.50. Or you could get this, this is the Dollar General brand. The other one is $7.75 for the Neutrogena brand, but it has to be an acne product. Like, it has to say acne on there. These DG Home trash bags are priced at $4.50 regularly, and there was a $1 off 1 coupon that came on the app like last week or a couple weeks ago. So this one has more. This one has 50 counts, but these have 25, and they do have the strings. So I do like the strings on there, so that's a good deal on trash bags because we never get those. And these are a pretty good brand. The DG Home 12 equals 24 rolls, the soft bath tissue, is priced at $4.50, and there's a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making that just $3.50. And these Clorox Scentiva disinfecting wipes are priced at $2.80, and there's a $1.50 off 2 digital coupons. So if you got 2 of those, use the $1.50 off 1 coupon. It would make those just $2.05 each. So these Snuggle Super Fresh, Snuggle Exhilaration, and the Snuggle Fabric Softener down here are priced for 2 for $8 this week, and there's a $4 off 2 digital coupon, making those 2 for $4, so $2 each. And I thought it included these, but no, these are a no. The dryer sheets are not included, but it does include the Snuggle scent boosters, the pods, and the Super Fresh beads. So those are 2 for $8 with the $4 off 2 coupon, and it also includes these all Power Core pods. So that will be $2 each, and those are a pretty good deal. And these Febreze small spaces are $3.15, and they are, the Febreze Air is priced at $3. So if you wanted to mix and match some of those, there's a $3 off 2 coupon. So if you got 1 of each of the Febreze Air, $3 off 2 would make each one $1.50 when you buy 2 of those. And I love the Gain Scented Air right there. And the Always Discreet pads are priced at they're 26 count, are priced at $3, and there's a $2 off 1 digital coupon, just making those $1. These diapers are always available, I think, with the peelies on them. I've just been seeing them around still, so I share this week every I share this deal every week. So these are priced at $5.50, and if you use this $1 off one Peely coupon, it'll make for $4.50. And you should be able to find them on each size. So that one was a size 4, this one was a size 3, so find whatever you need, and you can steal them from a different package and use them on a different one. This Nivea lip balm is out of stock, but it's $2.25, and there's a $1.25 off coupon, making that just $1. So I'm out of Dollar General, just filmed the in-store portion of my video, and I'm so bad at this, you guys. There was like no products left. I was trying to film a breakdown in store of what I'm gonna do probably for this weekend, but there was like 6 missing products out of the 8 that I wanted to film, and I'm like, I'm not gonna be like, pretend this is there, pretend this is there, pretend this is there, because it's not even a good visual. So I'll just list that in the breakdown below. I have 2 or 3 scenarios listed in my description box down below. There's a link for the Google Docs document, and it will show you a list of the deals and a list of some breakdowns that are going to be all digital and easy for you guys to use. Sorry, this hat, like I can't right now, it's making me itch. Love it, love the Hogwarts. So yeah, that was it for my in-store video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's freaking cold here. It's like 17 degrees still, and the schools are canceled again because the streets are so icy. Like it rained, it misted a little bit, and then just completely froze. So it's so slippery and so dangerous outside. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my little booty back home, turn on my heater, and never leave the house again. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, because I'd love to have you here. I make Dollar General videos every Wednesday, and some fun videos mixed in between. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.